second graders, today we're doing lesson 5, narrowing topic to a seed. The objective for today is I can determine the difference between a small moment story and a story about a longer period of time. You're going to turn to page 7 in your book. And page 7 says, narrowing a topic to a seed. A seed story focuses on just one small moment in time. So before I figure out my seed story, I need to look through all of the topics and choose what I'm going to write about. So I'm going to look on here. I could write a story about my Grandma Betty and how we went to a Scrabble competition together. I could write about the time that Holly and I went to whale watching, or about her wedding. I could write about walking to get cinnamon rolls at Arizmendi with Ben. I have a lot of choices here. I could write about my first upside down roller coaster, but I think today I really want to write about when I got Genevieve. So that's what I'm choosing for my personal narrative. Okay. So, a watermelon story would be a story about my first week with Genevieve. A slice of the watermelon would be about, it's a little bit smaller, it'd be about my first day with Genevieve. Now a seed story would be focusing on just when I went to the Humane Society to get Genevieve. When I went to the Humane Society to get Genevieve. So second graders, my watermelon story would focus on a whole week. The slice of the watermelon story would focus on one day, but my small moment story, my seed story, focuses on just a really small moment in time. When I went to the Humane Society to get Genevieve, I was probably there for maybe an hour. So if you look at the moment in time, this story would be about a whole week. This story would be about one day, and this story is about 1 hour. So what I would like you to do today is look at these pages for generating a topic. I want you to look through all the ideas you wrote. Choose your favorite one that you feel excited to write about this time. And then for that idea, I want you to think, what would be my watermelon story about that idea? What would be my slice of a watermelon story about that idea, like a little smaller? And then what would be my seed story about that idea, where I'm really zooming in on one small moment? Because we're going to end up writing seed stories. These are the types of stories we're writing. Okay, second graders, please choose your topic and then fill out this page today.